Okay, crank back from Grampian. Fantastic service as always. I just couldn't speak then because I can't do two things at once. I just wanted to make sure that these seals were in the groove so they weren't getting damaged. Okay, so as you can see there are holes. Those go into the pins underneath. On top of every, literally 180 degrees opposite, little dot. So that shows you roughly where the pins are. So we've just got to juggle them until everything is in place. Sometimes they go in, sometimes they don't. This will be one that doesn't. I can just feel it coming. There's another seal here with a metal collar on it, which again also goes in the into the crankcase. Just turn it round. Make sure, there we go. Okay. Right, now it's just finding the holes. That's one. That's two. Ooh, look at that. And that's three. Can't get any easier than that, can you? Then a quick hit. When you hit this end, hold this down. Then have a quick visual check that all these pins, or these little punch marks, are all in line. Then you know it's in properly. Tap that down. So that's pretty good. Then if you look from either side, have a look to make sure that these end seals are down again in the crankcase, which they are. I'm impressed. That was about the easiest crank I've ever put in. But very nice. So we're now ready to get it sealed up.